Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to remotely access your Windows PC, laptop, files, games, application from your Android phone wirelessly for free. Okay, so let's get started. So first you need to connect your phone and PC with the same Wi-Fi network and then open the Windows settings. I am using Windows 11. Hold Windows key button and then press I from your keyboard. This is the shortcut key to open the Windows settings. In the Windows settings, go to System and in the right panel scroll down. Here you can get the option Remote Desktop. Click on it and you need to enable the Remote Desktop. Okay, and here you need to note down your PC name, username. Okay, so you can get your PC name in the top left side corner of your screen. So as you can see guys, now my PC name is laptop, and then you need to set the password on your PC. Okay, if you don't set, go to accounts, go to sign in option and then go to password and simply set the password. Okay, after doing this guys, on your Android phone, open the Google Play Store. In the Play Store, here you need to search Microsoft Remote Desktop and open the Windows app and then simply download and install it. And after this, open it and it will quickly show you your PC name, as you can see guys. So just tap on it and then here you need to enter your username. So my username is laptop and enter the password which you have set. Okay, and then tap on continue. So it will lock your PC and you can get full control on your Android phone. So wait for a few seconds. So I will rotate my screen. So after doing this guys, here you can get your mouse cursor. So now if you want to open any file, so I will open this PC. So here you can easily able to access your all files, document, anything. If you want to play music, video, or if you want to open any file, so just double click and open it. Not only this guys, if you want to access any application or game from your Android phone, so just press the start button and here you can easily able to search. So for example, I will open the Google Chrome. Okay, so as you can see guys, the Google Chrome browser is now opening. If you want to access anything, you can easily able to access it wirelessly with very smoothly. Okay, so if you want to type anything, so just in your phone, in the top right side toolbar, you can get the keyboard icon. If you want to type anything, you can also able to type this. Okay, so this how you can easily able to fully control or access anything from your Windows PC from on your Android device wirelessly. So that's it today guys. I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy our video, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.